today we're going to be doing a review on the Maybelline New York contour. So my friend, she has this, and I got it 3 weeks ago, and from my friend, and I wanted to do something on it. So we're going to be testing pigmentation and all stuff. So there's there's contour, blush, and highlighter. That shade looks pretty. And we're gonna be trying it, so I don't use it a lot, so I'm gonna see. So I'm gonna get my 3 fingers right here, and I'm gonna swatch. I really don't want to get the names. So this one is just like so good, and the pink, I mean, it's okay. And then for here, oh my gosh, that is such a pretty shade. If I swatch it, it's a pretty shade. So that's how the shade looks like, and I'm gonna be trying on the highlighter. I think I got my highlighter off. Yeah, I did. Yeah. So I'm gonna be trying the highlighter. That's intense. Look at that. That's intense. Oh, oh. And it gets better and better. Wow. That is such a pretty shade. I love the highlighter. I'm going to be trying on blush. I mean, it's not too pigmented. I mean, it's just a blush, and I'm going to be trying here. It's really nothing. But the highlighter, I'm going to try. So I'm going to be taking my eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use my highlighter. There's a lot of fallout. And I'm going to be trying that. It doesn't show up as good because I just took off my makeup. I look like I have no makeup on right now. So I'm going to get my mirror and I'm going to see. It's pretty. It's pretty. Neutral and pretty. No. You gotta be playing with me. No. If I said thought, I said I because thought. Because this shade, thought. It is so pretty. No doubt. So pretty. Can you see that? Maybelline, oh my gosh. I'm going to be trying this. I think I'm just going to do this as an eyeshadow. And I'm going to be using that to blend. The pink doesn't show up as good. It looks like a purple on camera. So, the brown, that has to be good. Because I think we could go as a look. So I'm gonna try as a look, and I'm gonna be back with y'all. So I did my eye look, and I'm pretty down with it. Super settled, super pretty, loves. So I think I'm gonna go with my lips and stuff. But as I'm done with my lips and other stuff, I'm gonna be showing you like the finish. So yeah, so all I have to do is I just have to do my lips and then my eyebrows and then my lashes. So yeah. So, and then I have to do my lashes, and I gotta put this away, and then I gotta do my lashes. Perfect. So this is my glam. I mean, like Kylie Jenner. So this is my glam. I'm super happy with it. I wanted to tell y'all, is it worth the price? Of course it is, because it's like $5. And do I like it? I want to give this a rate right now. No. JK, gotcha. I really like this because it has all the pigmented, and it's so pigmented that you don't even have to use this for contour, blush, and highlighter. You could definitely do an eye look with it. But I'm so happy with Maybelline making this, and I really hope that my friend lets me have to keep this. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to put this in the description where you could buy it. But I hope you guys enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment, share, and like. And I love y'all so much. Peace and bye.